Welcome to the best garbage in Disney. Here I am at Pizzerizzo, and I'm upstairs. When you go eat at Pizzerizzo, not that you're gonna want to eat at Pizzerizzo, but when you go to Pizzerizzo, you're gonna want to go upstairs. The food sucks, but the ambience is awesome, especially upstairs. So you walk past the food, don't buy pizza, bring something from Sci-Fi in here or something, and come on upstairs. There's all kinds of room, and don't miss the garbage cans, because these are unique garbage cans. Each one is different. Each one has a different little saying from Rizzo the Rat, spelled out in a New York accent, and they're humorous. They're funny. So they're regular looking garbage cans, but all it takes is a sticker sometimes to make it worth checking out. You got his picture there and a little saying from Rizzo the Rat. So you can go around, walk around the whole store, check out these garbage cans. The cans are upstairs, they're downstairs as well, but you want to eat. You want to be upstairs when you go to Pizzerizzo's. Also, side note, don't forget to go to his wedding hall, the banquet hall there. There's gonna be almost nobody there. That's where you want to hang out. Anyway, check out the garbage cans. Pizzerizzo.